Hi guys, I am a backend developer with 5 years of experience, and today I will show you my free auto LVL bot on 9 Chronicles blockchain game. To get started, download the bot from my GitHub link in description. Next, unzip archive and run 9 Chronicles LVL Autofarm bot file. When I started studying 9 Chronicles, I noticed the long loading of the game for 10 to 20 minutes, which greatly slowed down the pumping. You can earn money here only in PvP, and for a good start you need at least the 70th level, so I steamed up and wrote this level farm bot. The first checkbox in the bot is responsible for leveling levels. The bot will automatically start new levels and pass them. The second check mark puts food in the slot with food if your character has this food. And the third one automatically puts on more improved equipment if such a thing falls out. When you have selected all 3 checkboxes, just click start and run the game. The bot works perfectly, and in the future I plan to update it, so if you want to always follow the latest updates, subscribe to my channel. I really like the bot development process itself, and if you have any ideas on which NFT game I could create my own bot, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching.